So this is our handheld device vacuum tool, and this is showing how to empty a canister full of chips. This is about 10 gallon of chips being emptied with a 4-inch aluminum hose that hooked up to a vacuum, a turbine vacuum. This is one, and this is the second one. That's about 6 gallon or 7 gallon worth of dirt. And that would be it. Here we're showing how to clean an area of a lathe right after it was worked on with the same 4-inch device, 4-inch handheld device. It's actually a wearable device. You can wear it on your hand and it's easy to operate. You don't have to bend over your back or work too hard, and it also can clean inside the bed of the lathe, which I'm going to show you in a minute how the bed looked like after it was clean. This is before it was clean, of course, and now it will show you how to it's being cleaned with the same 4-inch device. It can be cleaned with a 4-inch or 5 or even 6-inch when you have very large pieces all crumbled together inside the bed of the lathe. Okay, so see, pretty clean.